Welcome to week 3 of the 7 weeks of Cricutmas. I'm Aaron, this is Happy Sad Crafts, and today what we're going to be getting into is something a little bit funnier than the ones that we've made, because the first couple weeks we've been kind of doing some serious motifs of black and white. Everything's just, festive and jolly, so we're going to get a little bit of, giggles in here. So we got a 12 by 24, and this is the design that we're going to make. Merrier than a Mofo. I love it. I thought it was funny. Rolls right off the tongue. So with this one, we're gonna do a red background with the Imperial chalk paint from Home Decor, from Folk Art. Sorry. And then we're gonna do a white design on it, and then the unfinished wood frame, kind of like we did with the reindeer sign last time. So without further ado, let's put our base coat on and get to work. Alright guys, no more messing around, let's get this going. We're gonna hit new project, upload, and then you're gonna want to select your photo. I've shown this in a previous videos how to upload. If you don't know how to do that, then you can write in the description below. I will put last week's video so you can watch through that and see exactly how to upload your own photo. We'll make this down to size, right about here. Make it. Looks like that's a little bit too big. Still too big, dang. There we go, okay. Cool, so that's about centered. I'll hit this. And then as always, you want to set your dial to custom, and for your material you want to select stencil vinyl. My computer's being a poo-poo right now, so just give it a second guys, sorry about this. Go, stencil vinyl, and I will see you back over on the table and we will get this cut out. All right, so we got our vinyl cut out, we got it weeded. I cut a piece of transfer tape to size. We're gonna go ahead and get this onto the transfer tape. We'll get it put onto the wood. We will do another base coat on there to seal down the vinyl, and then we'll head outside and spray paint this bad boy. Man, we are just moving and grooving on this side. We got the frame cut, I sanded it down, we got the unfinished finish, just like we did with the last sign, because I think it works really well against this red here, as you can see. So we're just going to batten it down with this little frame clamp here. We're going to do a dry run, make sure everything fits, and then we'll glue it together, and then once that's dry, we'll flip it over, put a little bit more on the back, and then we'll nail it, and then it's done! Alright, let's get to work! Woo! That's another week in the books. All right, this guy is done. I hope you like it. Are you ready to see it? It's done, it's glued, it's nailed. We didn't fail. Oh well, if we did. Here it is. And 1, 2, 3, boom! Ha ha ha! Merrier than a mofo! I hope you guys like it. It'll be available on the shop as always. Support your local businesses. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss next week's content. I'm going to be sprinkling in some other videos during the week, so it won't just be one a week, and you definitely don't want to miss that. So, I will see you guys next week, or maybe even sooner, but definitely next week for week number 4 of the 7 weeks of Cricutmas. Okay,